Nothing phone is set to launch on July 12th. The company has started taking pre-orders of the Phone 1V and invite-only system. Ahead of the launch, Nothing has also teased the appearance of its first smartphone. The device has a transparent rear panel, below which is a white sheet that covers the internal components. Nothing is also rumored to launch the device in a black color option. One of the teaser videos did hint at the launch of the black color option. However, there has not been any official confirmation from the company. Tipster Ishinagarwa believes that the Phone 1 black color option is coming soon. The tipster has shared an appearance render of the black color option. As seen in the appearance render below, the Phone 1 has a transparent back that covers the LED strips. The metal sheet that covers the internals is painted black instead of the white one which we have already seen. Some key details of the Phone 1 have leaked already. The company has confirmed that the device will draw power from a Snapdragon SoC. A Geekbench listing revealed that the device will feature a Snapdragon 778G Plus SoC. It further revealed that the phone will launch with 8 GB of RAM. A recent leak claimed that the company will make its first smartphone available in 3 storage options: 8 and 128 GB, 8 and 256 GB, or 12 and 256 GB. The base model will be priced at $397. Nothing is rumored to launch the other higher storage options for $419 and $456, respectively. Other specifications of the device have leaked as well. The Phone 1 will sport a 6.55-inch OLED display with a hole punch cutout at the top left corner. The bezels are thin and uniform across the edges of the display. It also supports a 120Hz refresh rate. The smartphone will come with a 45-watt fast charging, wireless charging and 5-watt reverse charging support. It will not feature an adapter in the box. On the back, the Phone 1 has a 50-megapixel main camera and a 16-megapixel ultra-wide camera. It will feature a 16-megapixel front camera sensor. The device will also come with an in-display fingerprint scanner, USB Type-C port, Bluetooth 5.2, etc. The phone also has multiple LED strips, which have over 900 individual LED lights that will light up when the user gets a call or notification. The company has confirmed that the Phone 1 will be available for purchase via Flipkart. Nothing is reportedly working with Reliance Digital to make the device available offline. There is no official confirmation from the brand at the moment. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button under this video. Have a good day and see you soon.